Hi, this is TI Pro Audio Outdoor Light Array Testing Area, and today we're gonna show you our double 12-inch light array system. As you know, TI Pro Audio focus on the outdoor events, and this model is our double 12-inch RA2122 double 12-inch two-way light array, and it's combined with two of the double 12-inch light array low and with two pieces of 3-inch high. So this equipment is as we design for the side guitars with all the polynew painting and the connecting parts with TI Pro Audio design for it. And the left, right, and four pieces can work for outdoor, like indoor and outdoor, for around 2,000 to 4,000 people events. And this is the master subwoofer for this system. And this amplifier system and all the equipment before shipping. We were connecting all the cables and signal cable and all the connecting cable to you before shipping. So the whole system, when you get it, you can plug and play when you get the equipment. And let me show you the back side of this light array. So this is the backside look on the light array setting. So when you can use a flying frame to hang on the truss or the full equipment. So let me show you the detailed parts of this hanging equipment and the side look and the back sides and the front panel.
Da 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 da. Hey baby, even though I hate ya, I wanna love ya, I want you.
And even though I can't forgive ya, I really want her, I want you.
Tell me, baby, why can't you leave me?
Cause even though I shouldn't want it, I gotta have it, I want you. Boom, clap the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel